Alright, not as clean as I wanted it, but we got all new power cables going down to the starter right there, alternator, new firewall ground there, new fender ground here. I've also got a little bus bar down there for the rest of my other grounds. Solenoid for the winch. Waiting on my main power to that guy, but it's grounded. So this guy's all ready to go. Boom. What else? Oh. So let's try the switch out. Let me grab this. Alright. Switches, winch power, flip that on, and I don't have this remote charged up, but that's no biggie. So now, boom. Now I don't ever have to fuck with that power switch right there. I can just control everything from the inside.